aft cabin, lots of stowage. The galley, good sized cooker. Good food preparation area. Looking forward now, I've got the nav table nicely positioned so it doesn't take up any extra space with the seating. Quite like this layout. And looking forward, there's an infill that fits in there in the forward cabin, which you'll see on the pictures, and there's also an infill here that fits there, which we have a picture of, which fits quite snugly. Now moving round, we come round to the head, which actually is quite a good sized head. For a boat this size, there's plenty of room in there. And then moving aft, we've got the second aft cabin. At the moment, boat's in winter storage, so there's a spare wheel there, which is going with the boat. And again, good size accommodation. And a good wardrobe.